viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to present you about the famous foods of South India. A huge part of what makes South India such a great destination to travel is its rich and varied cuisine. While South Indians are not afraid to experiment with their food, it is the old traditions and recipes that make South Indian cuisine such a unique experience. South Indian cuisine usually encompasses the five southern states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Kerala. Both the geographic and cultural influence of the south has an influence on the region's cuisine. Since South Indian dishes are mainly fermented, which are healthy to gut bacteria, they are considered a very good breakfast option. The process of fermentation improves digestibility, enhances B vitamins and boosts the immune system. South India has a hot, humid climate and all its states are coastal. Rainfall is abundant and the sole supply of fresh fruit, vegetables and rice. Rice is combined with sambar and rasam, dried and curried vegetables, meat dishes and a host of coconut-based chutneys and papadums. South Indians are great lovers of coffee, which is usually a special type made with chicory. From the vegetarian varieties of Udupi and the festive fare of Tamil Nadu and the Chettinad cuisine, perhaps the friest of all Indian food. This type too is largely vegetarian. From Kerala comes Malabari cooking with its repertoire of taste seafood dishes to the beef and Konkan Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh produces fiery Andhra cuisine which is largely vegetarian. It has huge range of seafood in its coastal areas. Hyderabad, the home of Nizams who ruled the Hyderabad and regal Nizami food rich and flavorful with taste ranging from spicy to sour to sweet. Hyderabadi food is full of nuts, dried fruits and expensive spices like saffron. Typically, South Indian food will feature curry leaves, mustard, asafoetida, pepper and peppercorns, tamarind, chilies and fenugreek seed. Puli is also used to spice and flavor dishes. Some well-known and loved foods include South Indian chicken curry, kolambu, idlis, dosas and vadas, sambar, uttappams, rasam and payasam. There is something for every kind of food addict in South India. If you are heading down south, here are some of the best and most popular traditional dishes that you cannot miss. Masala dosa, the king of all dosas. Listed as one of the world's most delicious food, a masala dosa never fails to impress. You must recreate this classic at home. Hyderabadi biryani, a Hyderabadi specialty. This one is a must try. Meat cooked with tangy spices, curd, butter and saffron, tossed in semi-cooked rice and garnished with cucumbers. Kerala prawn curry. Juicy prawns cooked in coconut curry. This Malabar curry will surely knock your socks off. Pair this delicious curry with steaming hot rice and you would know what we mean. Coconut chutney. The lip-smacking delicious chutney is a mainstay in every South Indian spread. It goes particularly well with idli, dosa and vadai. Made with the goodness of grated coconut, tamarind pulp, milk and coconut oil, this chutney is a treat. Gongara mamsam. Cinnamon, cardamom, onions, mind-blowing gongara leaves, garlic, chili and some chopped coriander will give you a cracker of dish, gongara meat curry. Pal Payasam. Heard about happy endings? That's what this payasam is all about. A sweet end to a perfect meal. A delicious rice and milk pudding with cashews and raisins. Chettinad chicken. Full of flavor and bold masalas, this dish will floor your family and guests. A gorgeous mixture of onions, tomatoes, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cumin, curry leaves and a rich coconut paste. Pongal. Pongal is a sweet rice dish that is usually eaten during special or ceremonial occasions. It is usually cooked in a clay pot over an open fire. Milk and water are boiled first, and according to people's belief, if the liquid swells over the pot, it will bring good luck and prosperity to the family. Upma. Upma is a wholesome Indian dish made with dry semolina or rice flour cooked with a thick porridge. Traditionally served hot for breakfast, its state is slightly bland, so various nuts, beans and spices such as turmeric and chilies are commonly added to the dish in order to improve its flavor. Puliohara. Puliohara is a popular South Indian dish that can be easily found in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It consists of rice, turmeric, tamarind, curry leaves, coriander, ginger and green chilies. Sambar. Sambar is a popular curry dish prepared with tamarind-based broth, lentils and vegetables. It originates from Tamil Nadu and is popular throughout South India. This dish is traditionally served with steamed rice or various Indian flatbreads. Idli. Idli is a traditional savory Indian cake that is a popular breakfast item in numerous South Indian households, although it can be found throughout the country. It is made of the batter consisting of fermented lentils and rice, which is then steamed. Uttapam. Considered as dosa's fat cousin, it is made from the same type of batter but mixed with onion, tomato, coriander, but tends to be thicker than a dosa and resembles more like a savory pancake. Vadai. India's answer to savory donut. Many different varieties can be found, both savory and sweet. Vada is made from grounded batter of legumes that have been soaked in water and seasoned with cumin, onion, curry, chili. Appam. This is a bowl-shaped pancake originated from Kerala and from fermented rice batter, served with coconut milk or kurma made from vegetables and yogurt. Rasam. A popular home remedy for sore throats and cold. Rasam is a light spicy soup made from vegetables and spices including tomato, tamarind, black pepper. Curd rice. Curd rice is a popular and tasty South Indian dish that is served with a South Indian thali or meal. Curd rice is nothing but a curd mixed with cooked rice, herbs and then tempered with curry leaves and mustard seeds before being mixed with yogurt and salt. Andhra chicken curry. A red hot spicy Andhra curry cooked with ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, cinnamon, chicken masala and cashew and poppy seed paste, pepper powder, coconut paste, cloves and lemon stewed together with chicken to recreate an aromatic flavorful magic. Fish moili. Don't think of it like just another fish curry. With origin in days of Portuguese in India, this is an important lunch dish in Kerala. Lemon rice. If you are looking for a light meal at lunchtime, this famous dish from Tamil Nadu is a perfect blend of rice, tomatoes, onions, red chili, lemon juice and curry leaves. The infusion of turmeric with lemon into rice when served with chutney gives it a most distinguished taste. South Indian meals. What is special about South India is that variety of dishes on one plate. It's like a buffet set at one tray. South Indian filter coffee. South Indian style coffee is made using a coffee filter and then sugar and hot boiled milk is added to it. The mixing of the coffee with milk and sugar between the stainless steel tumbler and bowl forms the froth at the top. Puttu and Kadalakari. An exceptionally popular breakfast dish in Kerala is Puttu and Kadalakari. Puttu is made up of rice and is cylindrical in shape, whereas Kadala is a black piece of curry can be made from delicious by including grated coconut and ripe bananas. Akki roti. Known as a signature dish of Karnataka, Akki roti is a prominent breakfast meal in the state of both fitness freaks and food fantasies. Besibela. When it comes to flavor, Besibela is as unique as it gets. It is prepared with rice and dal are cooked together with various vegetables. However, the real magic of Besibela is in its masala and the generous helping of ghee. If you are in Karnataka, don't miss Besibela. As with most countries, there are large regional differences and each state's cuisine can vary greatly even at the specific state. There are typically vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes for all 5 states. Additionally, all regions have typical main dishes, snacks, light meals, desserts and drinks that are well known in their respective region. South Indian dishes is known for its vibrant colors, amazing flavor and taste ranging from sweet to sour to spicy. No South Indian meal is complete without rice in some form or other. It is either boiled rice or idlis, dosas or uttapams. Dals are also a part of most meals. The smell of crispy vadas, the sound of splattering mustard seeds, the taste of piping hot sambar made with fresh tamarind and the touch of feather-light soft idlis, there is no doubt that South Indian food is a treat to the senses. Dosa and chutney are just a brief trailer to a colorful, rich, and absolutely fascinating culinary journey that is South India. Because it is easily available, coconut oil is most commonly used for cooking and frying. Vegetable oils like sunflower and canola are also used, and ghee is poured over rice during daily meals or onto special occasion dishes. Rice is their grain and choice, and lentils and dals are equally important. Sambar, which is made from lentil, tamarind, and buttermilk, is also common to all South Indian states, though each region may have its own variation. Pickles and papadums are always served on the side, and yogurt makes a frequent appearance as well. Coconut is one of the most important ingredients and is used in various forms, dry, desiccated or as is. Some of the cooking is also done in coconut oil. The south of India is known as the land of spices and for all right reasons. Cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, nutmeg, chili, mustard, curry leaves, the list goes on. South Indian meal is an ocean of delicious dishes. You must try them at least once in their lifetime. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Have a good day.